So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GoShare 10 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then dito guys, piliin lang natin is yung number 6, which is yung Go Booster. So type natin yung number 6, and then tap send. And then dito guys, piliin nyo lang yung GoShare 10. So nasa number 4, type nyo yung number 4, and then tap send. So, ayan guys, kapag nag-register tayo ng GoShare 10, makakakuha tayo ng additional 1 GB na data for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Viber, and WhatsApp for 1 day. So, for only 10 pesos lang siya guys. So, kung may expired na or maubusan na kayo ng data, pwede kayong mag-extend sa Globe ng 10 pesos. So, additional 1 GB na siya guys for Facebook and others. So, para ma-register guys, type natin yung number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GoShare 10 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night